Liverpool's coronavirus case levels have plateaued slightly in the last week. Denting hopes the city could drop into Tier 1. The city recorded 450 people testing positive in the week up to December the 7th, compared to 481 the week before. The stuttering of the decline in cases raises the danger the city will be vulnerable to another spike under looser Tier 2 restrictions. The upcoming special Christmas mixing rules also pose a risk. Most other areas in Merseyside also saw plateauing, though case levels in Sefton and St Helens have continued to fall. Last week saw mass testing begin across Merseyside, while Liverpool's testing pilot will now shift to a longer-term model provided by the private sector. The first vaccines were also administered to people in our region in a tangible sign of a potential end to some of the most limiting restrictions in place across the UK. In Merseyside, the two main hospital sites where the vaccine will be delivered to people are Aintree and Clatterbridge Hospital in Wirral. People will also be vaccinated at the Countess of Chester. Thousands of people in the region have now been tested for coronavirus over the past week as part of an expanded mass testing programme. This uses lateral flow tests, providing results within 30 minutes. The same tests have been used in Liverpool since November the 6th as part of the testing pilot. In Liverpool, the first few days of that mass testing pilot at the beginning of November saw 44,233 people come forward, almost 9% of the city's population. Troops who helped support the pilot are set to receive the freedom of the city. Around 2,000 members of the armed forces were in Liverpool since the pilot began, carrying out a range of tasks to enable the massive programme to continue. It's also seen hundreds of thousands of tests administered, with city officials saying it helped bring the city's rate to under 100 cases per 100,000.